This is the 12th part of our second lesson on saying please. So open your books, page number 18, second paragraph. Now listen carefully. I have missed him from my bus route of late. See the meaning of this word of late. Of late. It means formally, but not now, working in a specified place. I have missed him from my bus route of late, but I hope that only means that he has carried his sunshine. See the meaning of this word, sunshine. Sunshine, it means, according to this lesson, cheerfulness on the another road. So what is the writer is trying to tell us? I have missed him from my bus route of late. So that bus conductor, at first working in a particular route, on a particular road, and on that road, the writer always met that conductor. But now, his work, his occupation changed to another road. Now he is working on another road in another bus. And therefore, the writer says that I am missing him a lot. After that, what writer says? But I hope that only means that he has carried his sunshine on another road. But writer says that I hope that whatever cheerfulness he had shown on this road to the passengers and particularly to the writer, that cheerfulness he will be carrying on another route also. He will be behaving very cheerfully, happily with the people on the another road also. It cannot be too widely diffused in. See the meaning of this word, diffuse. Diffuse, it means spread around. It cannot be too widely diffused in a rather drab world. See the meaning of this word, drab. Drab, it means dull or monotonous. It cannot be too widely diffused in a rather drab world. So, according to the writer, this whole world is very drab. It is very dull, monotonous. And the conductor's cheerful behavior, happy behavior cannot spread too wide. It can only spread in the bus where he was working. And I make no apologies for writing a panegyric. See the meaning of this word, panegyric is given here, a speech or a piece of writing to prize someone highly. Panegyric on an unknown bus conductor. Now the writer is praising lot about this bus conductor, and the writer is not very familiar with that bus conductor. That bus conductor is not writer's friend, and even though the writer is praising lot about that bus conductor, therefore the writer says, I am not going to say any kind of apology or sorry for that. If Wordsworth, he was a great poet. If Wordsworth could gather lesson of wisdom, see the meaning of this word, wisdom. Wisdom, it means the quality of being wise. So what is the meaning of wise? Look at here. Wise, it means having or showing good judgment. If Wordsworth could gather lesson of wisdom from the poor leech gatherer. The meaning of this is given here, the poor leech gatherer, it means the subject of Wordsworth poem. Resolution and independence, or the leech gatherer. But what is actual meaning of this word leech gatherer? I am going to give you, see here. Leech gatherer, it means a blood sucking worm. On the lonely moor. So what is the writer trying to tell here? That there is one great poet, Wordsworth, and this poet got some kind of wisdom, some kind of good knowledge, good judgment by a very poor worm, and that worm is leech gatherer, which worm suck blood from human or animal's body, that worm. And after getting the knowledge, judgment, wisdom from this poor leech gatherer, Wordsworth wrote a very good poem, and the name of that poem is On the Lonely Moor. I see no reason why lesser people should not take lesson in conduct. See the meaning of this word, conduct. It means behavior. I see no reason why lesser people should not take lesson in conduct from one who shows how a very modest calling. See the meaning of this word, calling, according to this lesson. Calling, it means trade, occupation, or profession. Calling may be dignified. Dignified, it means something seen worthy or impressive. dignified by good temper. See the meaning of this word temper. Temper, it means condition of mind, and good temper, it means good condition of mind, and kind feelings. So what is the writer is trying to tell here? I see no reason why lesser people should not take lesson in conduct from one who shows how a very modest calling may be dignified by a good temper and kindly feelings. If you are doing any occupation, any profession, any trade, and in that trade, occupation, your profession, if you are using a good temper, if you have good condition of your mind, and you have kindly feelings about others, then that your occupation, your trade, your profession will be very good for you. And the writer is very surprised why other people not getting lesson from this conductor. Actually, the conductor's job is very tough. He had to face many kinds of people, and he also need to take care that no one will cheat him. But even though this conductor handled his job very nicely, why? Because he had a good temper, he had good condition of his mind, and kind feeling about others. Therefore, so today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.